Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Southern Yankee. I actually just finished filming a look with this. I am getting ready to put a video up for you for a Fabfitfun style, and I accidentally deleted the intro of the video. So we are going to go outside together on the front porch, and we're going to look at all the goodies that came in our Fabfitfun box and see what I liked and if I kept anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you're new, I hope you'll stick around and hit that subscribe bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And to my loyal subscribers who are here for every video, welcome back, guys. I missed you. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope you're making it through this horrible quarantine okay. So I'll see you guys in just a second with the Fabfitfun video. Okay, let's get started. So Fabfitfun is $20 to get styled a month. It is a subscription, though I think you can adjust your subscription, skip boxes, all that fun stuff. All right, so the first thing I'm seeing is a necklace. It says Bohemian Rhapsody Lariat. They package them so cute in these. So let's see if I can get this open. All right. They do that so they don't get damaged. Okay, so here we go. So it's pretty silver. It comes down, and you have this little pretty piece on this side. It's got like a pretty filigree. Very pretty. Yep, that's cute. We'll have to see how much that is. And I wonder if it's sterling silver. I briefly looked at these items, but I did not try anything on, so we'll do that together. This next one is like, it's by Gentle Fawn, and it is a cream, really cozy looking mom cardigan. But I love mom cardigans. You guys know I love it. It's got short arms, so I think it's like a dolman style. And it does have pockets. Sorry, you guys are gonna hear cars out here. That's the only downfall of doing it out here. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful scenery, but you do hear some noise. So, all right, so there is the cardigan. Excited to try that on. Then looks like we have a top. This is by Collective Concepts. Everything's a size medium unless I state otherwise. All right, so here it is. It's a pretty, look at that beautiful lace in the back. That's gorgeous. It's got just a little design. I'm not sure about these. I don't typically like these ties, but we'll try it on. That's gonna annoy me because we have people that drive by with their music loud and they drive too fast, like that guy driving way too fast. So that actually may look cute together. I don't know if they have an idea of how things should be paired, so we'll look and see. This next item, very excited about it. It's so cute, but sometimes they are cute off and not on. This is by Skies Are Blue. This is a dress, and so let me come up close so you can see the color patterns in it. Really cute. Looks like little paisleys made out of flowers, but then you come back and it's a dress, and it's really cute. It's got like little flutter sleeves on it, which you guys know I like. So that will be a fun one. We do have a pair of jeans in here. They are the Cut from the Cloth Donna ankle skinny, size 8, high rise, and they're in a plum color, which I don't have this color, believe it or not. So that's fun. And we have a raw hem on the end. So I was taking a size 6 in Cut from the Cloth, but being home on quarantine, not anymore. I've been eating. All right, eating junk, eating too much. All right, next item, what is this? This is also a size medium by Pret-a-Porter. I have something else by them, I do like it, and looks like we have just a black top. What? Oh, that does come up from the top. I guess you tie it. So it's got like a little ruching right here, so I guess you could like squinch it if you wanted a little tighter. It's a V-neck, rayon and spandex, which is a nice material, so that's just probably a good layering piece. And I think these were sweats, which I don't need. I actually have a pair of these, I believe, already that I got either from Trendsend or something. I got a pair somewhere. These are by FP Movement. Maybe I don't have this brand. It says $48 on it, so we'll see. But they're just like really comfortable around the house. Honestly, it's kind of what I'm wearing for my Zoom. I'll be all business on top and like this on the bottom or PJ pants on the bottom, but they're nice, just a nice olive coloring to them, and they do have a little, just a little design right there. All right, so those are all my items, and you do get a bag with them to mail back anything that you don't want, and it's pre-postage paid already, so you don't have to worry about paying the postage on it. Let's just see who my stylist is. Kara is my stylist. Welcome back. My name is Kara, so she's new to me. I'm excited. All right, let's try that again. My daughter called. So it says, she's excited to be sending my next box. I hope these bring a smile to your face during these times. I've chosen the Donna pant. Those are the cut from the cloth ones. It's a best-selling pant for us and has an amazing fit. Pair this back to the Maria top for a trendy look. Add some ankle boots, you're ready to go. Next is the Sunny Sweat. It's so soft and cozy. Perfect for lounging with your fam, playing games, binge watching, blah, blah, blah. You won't want to take them off. My favorite is the Polaris sweater. It's a staple piece to your wardrobe and matches back the other styles in your box. It can be dressed up or down for any occasion. The Bohemian Rhapsody Laria is a favorite, will help make any look pop. Hope you enjoy mixing all of these with your current closet. Can't wait to hear your feedback. So the sweater, the Polaris sweater, that's what she's talking about, is the one that goes with everything. All in all, this total box came to $332. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces, and 6 clothing and 1 necklace. And then you get your $20 off. The keep all discount is 25%, and that's $83. Is it 20? Is it 20 or 25% off? I don't remember, and it doesn't say. But anyway, it's $83 off plus the 20 comes to $229. I think it's 20% off. So for everything for 7 pieces would be $229 if I choose to keep. And at the end, we'll go through each individual piece and what they cost. So I'm gonna go inside and we're gonna try these on. Okay, guys, I got 4 of the items on. I have our necklace on. So come back and see that. It hangs down like that. And the necklace is $28 regular price, and if I kept everything it would be $21. Not a bad price, pretty necklace. I wanted to show it up against something black, but this has the ties, so it kind of gets in the way, but you guys can kind of get it's getting in my way trying to show you. You can kind of get the gist of it, but there's the sun's gonna block it out. The detailing is pretty on it. All right, so then the cardigan is really cozy. It's got the dolman sleeves, but it is expensive. So full price, this cardigan is $89, and if I kept everything, it'd be $66. So even all in, it's a pricey cardigan. I don't know about this cardigan. It's got a drop sleeve. It's just kind of a lounge cardigan. I like it, but I don't really need it for $89. I probably won't get this. The top though, this little pret-a-porter cinched bust top is $20. Very, very affordable. I'll take this off in a minute so you can fully see it. And if I kept it all, it'd be $15. Really great price for a layering. The only complaint I have is the ties are too long on this thing. They're even tied up, they're too long. And then I have the sweatpants on. These are, oh, I do have these kind. I was looking at something else on the back. I thought I did. I have these in like a gray blue color. These are the Free People Sunny Skinny Sweat in the color olive. They're $48, and if I kept it all, they would be $46. Ignore my funky socks. I got funky socks on. So here it is all together. And then they do have pockets. They're low for me. They're almost too low for me when I'm standing to reach because my arms aren't long enough. But yeah, it's a cute little lounge outfit, just like chilling out at home, doing nothing. Let me show you this. That's the other thing. I have, because of what I was wearing earlier, I have a T-back bra on, so you're going to see that. We're getting ready to go to the grocery store, so I didn't feel like changing into a new bra for a try-on. So here's the little top. It's a nice little top, long sleeves. Really, it's a nice layering tee. Is exactly what it is. And then we have the oops, sorry Nitro. We have these, which like I said, I already have them, but I have them in a different color. I do like these. Obviously, I liked them enough to buy them once. I just don't know if I need 2 colors. Although I feel like this color is a little bit more like universal. Like I'll get more wear out of it for even into the fall and stuff. So there is that. All right, so I'm going to take this stuff off and try on the next grouping of clothes. I'll be right back. Okay, here is the little top. I went ahead and tied it, but you can leave it open as well. If you tie it, it gives you a cute little keyhole. It's a cute little top, and I put on the cut from the cloth jeans, which are too big. These I actually will need to get in a 6. I thought that these were going to fit because I've been eating so much, but they're still too big. So here is what that looks like. And here it is with the cardigan. She said you could kind of mix and match. So the pants are high-waisted and too big, so I'm probably not going to do that. This is too big too, actually. This would need to go down a size. I look like it's like huge. I thought it looked huge when I tried it on. So, I mean, it's really comfortable. Like if you're looking for like just a big like a big oversized cardigan for like in the house. But like wouldn't pay $89 for a big oversized cardigan. Everything's a little bit big on me right now. I know I didn't lose weight, so I mean, unless I did, I don't realize it. But yeah, so the jeans, I like the color of these jeans, but they're just too big on me. So, and they're really, really, really stretchy. So I definitely would need a smaller size in the jeans, but this would look cute with like a brown belt. If I were gonna wear it like this, I'd probably put like a brown belt with this to pull this beigey color a little bit together, and little brown boots, and I do think that that would be a cute little outfit. So okay, all I have left to do is try on the dress, and we'll be right back. Okay, I really like this little dress. I'm wondering if this is the dress that Faber got. She got a cute little dress like this too. It's a little bit shorter, really comfortable. It is lined, so it's got like a lining on it. It's really, really comfortable and cute. Great for the spring and summer. Really a good lightweight summer. And it's got little like texture. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see it, but it's got like, see those little bumps? It's got texture on it, and it's got crochet coming down here. It's got a little peephole here. Only concern I have with the dress right now, I would wear this to work. I'd probably throw a cardigan or a blazer on and wear this to work, but right now I'm not going to work. That's my work. So for me, I might not get any use out of this because during the day I'm probably not going to throw this on at home or nobody's going to see me, you know? So without knowing how long this virus thing is going to be before life gets somewhat back to normal and I could go into the office, I'm not sure that this would be a smart buy for me right now, but I really like it. I think it's cute. There it is. Okay. All right, guys, so that's all of the pieces I have. I'm going to get in my own clothes, and we'll talk our thoughts through and see if you guys can help me out. Okay, guys, so I just looked at the price. This little dress is a good buy. It's $38, and with 20 off, it would only cost me $18 if I did want to keep it. For $18, I don't feel like that's a bad one to put in my summer closet, even if I just use it around the house for now. I would get wear out of it in year 2, you know. So these cut from the cloth, I like the color of them. They're $89, very normal. You can get cut on sale. However, like if you go to their website, you would get these for $66 if you kept it all, but these don't fit. They're way too loose. They would drive me nuts. I'd be pulling them up all day. Those are going back. This I like, but I don't like the ties. 2 of these tops have ties. This one, I wish he would be quiet. This one is actually very cheap. This is only $20 though. See, that makes me want to change my mind. Are you guys like that? Oh, that's a steal. You should get it and deal with the ties. It's only $20. If you keep all, would be $15. That's an excellent, excellent price. And the Porta T cinch bust top for layering is also only $20. So she did put some really good affordable pieces in there. And then, of course, these were $48 by Free People. Like those two, very comfortable, but I own them. And then this piece I really like too, but it's too big and it's way, way overpriced. I would not ever pay $89 for that. That's just ridiculous. And then, of course, this is $28. I'm going to pass on that. I have a lot of jewelry. I don't need that. I don't need this. I already have them, even though I like that color. I don't know. I know I'm not, so okay. So I know I'm not getting these. So then that brings the dress and the black layering and then that other top. I think I like the dress the best. So if I keep something, it's likely going to be the dress, but I'm not quite sure. I think I would get a lot of use out of this one for work because this is one, I liked the lace on here. I think the lace is beautiful. And this is one that I could wear. I have a navy cardigan. I have pink cardigans that would pull the pink. I don't think I have a purple cardigan. I have a teal green cardigan. So this might be a good one for work with a pair of jeans or something. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. You guys let me know in the comments below your thoughts, and if it were you, what would you do? So I'll have my link for Fabfitfun style below if you guys do want to sign up. I think you get $10 off your first box if you use my link. So that'll be down below for you. And what else? I guess that's it. Just subscribe so you can see more fun stuff like this. I have a trend send that's going to be coming out this week as well. We have fashion and Stitch Fix on the way too. So I'll see you guys all in the next unboxing or the next video. Whenever you decide to hang with me, I'll be here. We'll see you soon. Bye.